Guys, this is urgent. The smart money have started selling very aggressively in the last few days. Okay, so we talked about this. I done a video 5, 6, 7 days ago talking about why I was selling some altcoins. There was loads of red flags. This was one of the main red flags. But in the last day or 2 days, we've seen some huge selling from smart money, like literally going up vertically, which is a massive red flag. So for those that are new or you don't know what this is the smart money stablecoin indicator. So all of the most profitable investors in crypto, the funds, we're talking about people with billions and billions of dollars, not just large amounts, but those who are really good investors. They have high P&Ls, they make a lot of money, they buy in the bear market, they sell in the bull market. We've been watching their stablecoin balances. So when their stablecoin balances are starting to go up, that means they're selling, they're taking profits out of the table. As we go into the bear market or at the top of the bull run, they tend to sell. They tend to start to take profits off the table. And likewise, when we go into a bear market, we tend to see them start to ape their stablecoins back in as they start to accumulate. Why? Because when things go down, when there's peak fear, when everybody's scared, that's when the smart money tend to buy and they tend to hold. They've held really well. I've been watching their accounts for quite some time. They've held really well. They kind of DCA'd all the way in. So stablecoin balances dropped to like 1 or 2%, which means that most of their holdings were actually in crypto altcoins. And now we can clearly see it. We've almost formed like some TA on this chart, right? Even though you can't really TA this, but it kind of looks like we've hit some sort of a double bottom and we're actually starting to break out, right? See, this is kind of like a W breakout. So clearly we can see something is going down here. There is a lot of smart money who are a bit concerned about the market right now, who are taking profits. So it's a major red flag. I've already took some profits off the table last week. If you saw my video, I think a lot of altcoins actually came down since then. I think a lot of things are down 20-30%, which might not sound like a lot, guys, but when I sell, I'm selling my long-term portfolio, so my low risk plays, right? So as you know, we're still up. I think today we're up like maybe 20x or something on Casper. We're still up like 13x on like Render. We're up insane amounts on a lot of these coins. Solana is almost still 10x from where I got in. It's over 10x actually. So I'm still in a lot of profits. I managed to hit the targets that I wanted to hit. I only wanted to make a 10x. Hey, if I made a 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x, happy days. But I wanted to make at least the 10x. A lot of my portfolio was sitting at that level, so I took some more profits off the table. I still have a moon bag, guys, but I'm starting to see signs that really concern me about this market. I'm not going to go into it on this video. If you want to see I think it was 10 plus signs I talked about on my previous video, go back and watch that because I think it's really important. I think I covered it quite well about the reasons why I'm taking profits and the reason why I'm getting quite concerned about this market. Dilution, there's so many tokens, we're seeing liquidity grabs all over the place. I'm going to do more videos about some of the stuff that's going on because it's wild. So yeah, the smart money have started to sell. What does this mean? I mean, look, are they always going to be right? Absolutely not. Are they right most of the time? Yes. Are they right a lot more than people on Twitter, including myself? Yes. They are the best of the best, guys. I mean, Pantera, for example, just in Ondo, they're holding around $500 million just in one altcoin. This is not small money we're talking about. When you see moves like this, we're talking about billions and billions of dollars that is getting sold from altcoins. These are not small amounts. And if you think the altcoin market has crashed, you wait until we get back up to these levels up here because then you're really going to see a crash, okay? And right now, we're still all the way down here. Okay, if smart money starts to continue to take profits all the way up to here, you're going to see altcoins absolutely get decimated. And I don't want to be holding my bag, right? I've done it last cycle. I held my bag down way too long. I got sucked into all of the tweets. It's just a dip. We're coming back. It's going to be fine. Got sucked into it all. Started to have too much hope, and I ended up losing a lot of my bags. And I don't want to do that again this cycle. Okay, so I've sold a lot of my bags. I think I've sold around 80% in total. So I took some profits back in March. That was my first DCA out back in March. And then I've just hit my second DCA out. I was going to sell 30%. I decided to sell 50%. I'm glad I did. And then I have one more DCA out, which will probably be when we lose key support. So when we lose the bull run trend line, that's probably when I'm going to sell my moon bag, and I'm probably going to hold that moon bag until we break that key support, because usually when we break that key support, the market collapses so fast. Okay, so when you see that go on the SMC bot on the weekly, and we close below, the market tends to absolutely fall over the coming days and weeks. So I'm saving my moon bag for then. If I do sell that moon bag, when it loses support, I'm probably going to take, that's when I'm going to take my really big short positions. I am shorting right now, so I've posted some of those in my Discord if you want to see what I'm shorting. I do have some DGen shorts, but I'm saving the big shorts for the day that we break that key level, because every time we tend to break that level, we've seen the bear market start and the bull run really come to an end, right? So just a quick one, guys, just to let you know about the smart money. If you want to see my updates, don't forget you can jump in the Discord. The link is below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these videos going forward. And that's it, guys. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one.